my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a Urban Gems haul to share with you, and I have a lot of goodies to show you. So let's go ahead and get into this package and wait till you see what I have. Let's see what I have in here. Now they're having a sale, I'm not too sure. I will leave the link below. But they were having a sale. Well, she did leave a card in here for me. Let me go ahead and read that. So she did give me a card just to thank me for my order. And she did give me a free gift. Oh, how cute is this? So let's go with flowers. So I did receive that. I will leave the link below so you go see. And it was a big sale that they had, so I'm not sure if they still have it, but I will leave the link below so you can go check it out. So that was actually real nice. So the first thing I want to share is I was able to get my hands on some. Yeah, so the first thing I have some Stickles. I really like this. I got some other colors, but I did get some of the purple. That's my stash. This is the glitter one. I also got the red one. And I got the clear with the hologram, the iridescent glitter in it. I got those three. These were good prices. I'm not too sure, but I'll put the prices if they still have the sale. And I also got some Nuvo Drops, and this also have the glitter one, so they will get the white one. Now these were actually, a lot of them were sold out, so I wasn't able to get I was only able to get these three colors, but I'm not sure if they restocked or if the sale's still going on. So I was able to get the white one with the glitter. How pretty is that? And these were all great prices. I want the silver glitter. That one also. And then this is almost like an off-white. Look at that. I also got that one. Love it. I got those ones also. Next thing I want to show you. Look at all the jimmies. This was a great price also. So I also got the black and white. How glamorous is this? Real nice. And then the yellow, the silver. This would be nice for a butterfly theme, or even a pineapple, match my nails. The purple. The pink for Valentine's. And then we got the blue, ocean theme. Now these were still in stock also. And look, the rainbow. Real nice. And like I said, different sizes also. So you got the smallest all the way to the big ones. And that one. Now this is this was a bundle here, and this was only $10. $10 for this one. Look at that. Let's open this baby up. look at that one. This is the there's the name on it. Okay, so this sequence mix is like a pinkish white, like that. How pretty is that? That is real pretty. So they're a nice Valentine one. There's that one. And I think the regular price was $20 for this bundle. It was half off. This is purple. You got different color purple stuff. Yeah, you got light and dark in there. That one. We have a white one. How pretty is that? An orange. Love it, love it. This is the first time I've been to this site. Look at that. The Christmassy. Oh, look at this. How glamorous is that? Remind me of a tuxedo. Look at that. And this is another pink, a light pink. And then a light like a mint with green. Oh, look at that one. Might be like the ocean. That one. You also have gold. Then gold with silver. This one has stars. Beautiful. And then the last one is red and white. How pretty is that? So these are actually great to make more mixes. So this bundle is amazing. So I'll have all the info in the description below. So do go to the site. I am not sure if the sale is still going on, but if it is, make sure you get your stuff. If it isn't, please support the channel because this site is amazing. They do have a lot of goodies there. Yes, and remember, do support our crafting people because a lot of businesses are closing and whatnot. So yes, please check out their site. This is a great deal. But with that, I hope you do have a blessed day. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment below if you actually shopped here before. I never knew this site was around. If there are sites that you know about that I've never seen, because there's a lot of sites out there that I've never knew about. Actually, some sites I found out and they're already closing, which is the sad part. Please leave a link in the comments below so I can check them out before they do close, because I don't know that they're even out there, because there are so many sites out there. Just leave a comment below because I would love to check them out and support them and whatnot. But yeah, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. I sure would love to have you. Oh, before I forget, if you want, leave a comment in the community tab, which you could go and on your phone app. Go ahead and leave a comment, drop a comment in there. Or if you're a shop owner, a crafting shop owner, or anything like that with crafting, and it doesn't have to be scrapbooking, doesn't have to be anything to do with scrapbooking, card making, or anything like that, or if you have your own little shop, drop it in the community tab. I love to support you or let you advertise your little business. Go ahead, we're here to support each other. But with that, have a blessed day. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a good day. Bye-bye.